Cleft lips and cleft palate are birth defects on children. They are born with a gap or a split in their lips or the roof of their mouth. This birth defect can be repaired through a surgery. Statistics holds that every 3 minutes a child is born with this birth defect globally. It is for this reason that the Northwest Regional Assembly, with one of our mission to see the population of the region healthy, recently brought together 20 journalists in collaboration with Smile Train, the largest humanitarian organization focused on helping children with cleft lips and cleft palates. This in a 2-day workshop.
Back as December 22nd, 2021, Smile Train was putting smiles on the needy of the region during our first regional end-of-year festival. And Smile Train, amongst other things, gathers young people in need. So this was, I think, one of our first major activities. The next thing will be the training of doctors and medical staff. Pleased to say that at the regional level, the Northwest Regional Assembly is the first to have this partnership. The Northwest population should benefit from it. They are an important partner in the education and improving the cultural base of our people so that there will be no more stigmatization as far as cleft lips and cleft palate is concerned.
The Cleft Media Workshop is aimed at training journalists on the realities of the birth defect, especially in the Northwest region.
Cleft is a public health concern because, as we are aware, cleft is not only a Cameroonian problem or an African problem, it's a global problem. And the statistics show that every 3 minutes a child is born with a cleft. So we can just, even in our own cells, we can be able to deduce the number of cleft patients that are born in our country, and the statistics also show that we have a prevalence of 700 births, cleft deaths, every year in Cameroon. So right here in our Northwest region, yes, it is also still a public health concern because there's no way to eradicate cleft. We cannot eradicate cleft. So it's very, very important that we continue to sensitize the population because every year children are born with a cleft, and it's very, very important that we continue to provide access to every child that is born every single year.
In the course of the training, 2 patients and their parents who benefited from the gesture of Smile Train had an interactive session with the journalists while telling their success stories.
I've just born the very time, so Dr. Acha explained with the kind of problem that I don't pass through.
And the prompt intervention.
Yes. How I could be born in a true operation. How I operate me so tell me my picking get Dr. Joseph be operate me. Then how I tell me I get a problem. Then he called Dr. Acha. Like how I did for that other word, they would do for you. He can enter. Then he explained and tell me say no. The one that minus thing he will take care for.
Okay.
At the end of the workshop, the media men and women took engagement with the Northwest Regional Assembly and Smile Train to help sensitize the population of the Northwest region while giving them directives on where to get help if come across any case of cleft lips or cleft palates.